How to disable Instagram group request on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable Instagram group request on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In appearance menu, we should press on Settings at the top. Here we need to tap on Privacy. Then we should find option Messages and tap on it. Here we need to find option Who can add you to groups and click on it too. In appearance menu, we need to choose the second option, Only people you follow on Instagram. Now only people you follow can you add to the groups. And that's all. It was how to disable Instagram group request on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.